Welcome back to my channel. Ooh. Yo, my hair is giving something. Like, it's giving something. Can y'all feel it? Because it's giving something. It's giving something. Something, right? From the title of the video, you can see what I'm doing already. Nature cereal, nature cereal, nature cereal, nature cereal, TikTok, nature cereal, nature cereal everywhere. And then everybody, this is so good. This is the best thing since sliced bread. What is all the extraness for? I'm trying to find out. So I got me a little berry trio thing. What is in here? I didn't even look. Like, I know it's not no pomegranate though. I seen people do it with pomegranate, but they didn't have no pomegranate. I don't think it's pomegranate season. So if you can find pomegranate, that's good for you, boo. And this was cheap. I'm happy that they had this, because to buy all of these berries separately, that's money. They got raspberry, blueberry. What is this? Blackberry? I got my ice in a bowl. And I was gonna like do the flavored coconut water. But I'm like, let's just do the regular one. So I got this coconut water. Put them together in a bowl with some ice. Let's see what the rave is about. So my cup, give me my cup. My bowl with ice. Put berries in there. I'm not doing all of them, because what if I don't like it? Then, you know. I mean, but what's there not to like? It's berries and coconut water. So let's see. And they have mad variety of coconut water now. They got mango peach, the pressed one. I like the pressed coconut water. That one is good. Mix it on up. And let's give it a try, right? And I want to get a little bit of everything. Let's go. Hold on. I mean, it's not nothing crazy. It's not nothing. Hold on. Hold on, let me just it just tastes like what it is. Coconut water with berries in there and some ice. Like, it's good though, but I do not like blueberries. But I think what's making it good is because it's cold. I don't like blueberries because it be mad soft and squishy. I don't like it. But the ice kind of make them like hard. Yeah, the ice make them hard. I mean, this is good for the summer. But it's refreshing, like, but ain't nothing crazy. That coconut water busting though. It's nothing crazy, y'all. Yeah, nothing crazy. But I wanted to see what the rave was about, because everybody on their mama So yeah, that's it. The video done. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do what you gotta do.